Welcome to the NVIDIA DGX Spark desktop AI supercomputer. Designed for developers and researchers, this compact device brings the massive compute power of the Grace Blackwell architecture right to your desk, delivering up to 1 PFLOP of AI performance. It has an incredibly compact footprint, weighing just 1.2 kilograms. Inside, it features the GB10 Superchip, 128 gigabytes of massive unified memory, and integrates ConnectX, 7 smart NIC ports on the back, providing up to 200 gigabits per second of high-speed network bandwidth. Let's dive into the first test. With the DGX Spark's built-in ConnectX 7 port, we use a 200G QSFP56 DAC to connect it directly to a server equipped with a ConnectX 6 NIC. The results show we easily max out the 200 gigabits per second bandwidth, providing ultimate data throughput for local AI model training. For the second test, we simulate a more complex network environment. This time, we use a 400G QSFP-DD to 2x200G QSFP56 breakout DAC. The 400G in plugs into the switch, while the two 200G ends connect to the DGX Spark and the CX6 server. This flexible topology allows the DGX Spark to seamlessly integrate into your existing high-speed network infrastructure for scalable AI networking. The NVIDIA DGX Spark revolutionizes the local AI development experience with its minimal footprint, 128 gigabytes memory, and ConnectX 7 high-speed networking. Contact us today to learn more about next-generation personal AI desktop supercomputer.